All right, guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Skater Trainer for sponsoring this video right here. The whole purpose and goal of Braille skateboarding is to push skateboarding all over the world. And in order to do that, we need brand new people to go, you know what? I can start skateboarding. It's not too hard. These Skater Trainers really help in that journey. If you're just picking up a board for the first time, I highly recommend you get some Skater Trainers, put them on the wheels, stand still on the ground, learn all of the flat ground tricks, then take them off and then learn those tricks rolling. You will learn tricks much faster than you would without them. If you guys right now are struggling with any trick, get Skater Trainers and give them a shot. See what happens. Let's roll into this video.
Hey you guys, we're here today for another episode of You Make It, We Skate It Wars.
You Make It, We Skate It Wars? That's a different thing, huh?
That's a different thing,
I haven't
Nigel.
been in one of those.
No, you haven't.
Have we done this before?
I'm so excited! Alright, so basically, You Make It, We Skate It is a series we do where you guys make us something to skateboard on and you send it to us. We're doing a rendition of that series where you guys make the board, send it to us. We pick two. We have two contestants. You Rochambeau to see what box you want to skate, and then you skate it. Game of skate style.
You guys
Full
already
par.
know what's in the boxes,
Oh
don't
yeah,
you?
Aussie and I know. When I came into my office this morning and you tried to shoot me in the head with a Nerf gun, that definitely would have changed the outcome of how easy the boards were to skate if you decided not to shoot me in the head with a Nerf gun. I think we should change it up today. Aussie, how should we do this?
Put them at the other side of the warehouse and make them run for it.
I like this idea.
You can have whatever box you want. I'll walk slowly to the other side.
Let Uzi pick.
A lot of pressure.
Pick a box for us, Susie.
Yeah.
Uzi, make your decision, my friend.
You get the big one.
All right, so this is Fetty's, this is Nigel's, and commence the opening, my friends. To be honest, I completely forgot what is in the boxes at this point. It's Halloween today, guys. I know this video is gonna go up like way past Halloween. But I'm in a good mood today.
What'd you get, Fetty?
Oh no. Let's see this wang dang. Oh no.
Can I change the trucks?
Oh. Yeah, you can change the trucks. I will allow that.
They're plastic. No note.
No note.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Oh, we have a note. Hand me that. Hey, Braille and Co. I hope you guys have fun with this modified tray skateboard. I hope it holds up for a few tricks. Please make Aaron, if he's there, use washers on the top. The trucks will crack the plastic otherwise. Also, please take a little time making sure the trucks are straight and leave enough tail and nose for pop. On the video, please just say it's from Daniel Duchesne, but don't put it in print on the screen. You can, however, mention it, put it on the screen if you don't mind doing so, that I use the name
Xanwan? Zatwan?
Xatwan
Zatwan.
on IG, but especially for my Etsy store where I make and sell custom Lego style minifigures. Bro, how do we get some custom Braille Lego minifigures? I don't have YouTube or Facebook, etc. Have fun and thanks for the great correspondence, Braille. I have some more ideas in mind if this works out for you. Oh yeah, if Jason, who's Jason?
No clue.
And or Doug are there, don't let them go hard right away. Get some tricks on film first. First tray from Daniel
That's what it says on the bottom.
Duchesne. I am bored, so I'm gonna wrap myself in this. Who wraps someone like this? This is the most Daniel way of wrapping I could have been wrapped. Well, I'm a freaking caution mummy. I think this is...
I'm so dizzy. It's about to be the end.
Oh, no, it's getting loose. You all good to go?
I got a break.
Nick, you look so confused.
What do you think is gonna be easier?
Nigel's gonna be easier. I think it's gonna break fast though. Fetty's is freaking indestructible. Fetty's definitely tray flipping that though. It's just a recipe for his tray flips.
It's not that bad. Those skated way worse.
Oh my
It
god.
stands for X. Nigel! What have you done?
I guess that'll have to do.
I think these are gonna be my permanent safety goggles from now on. Oh my.
I can't deal with this right now. Oh my goodness.
My favorite person, Billy's coming to give me some more stuff to put on.
Oh, hey, Becky.
Oh, thanks, Billy.
Oh my god.
Hey, Billy, you're the real best. It's like Christmas.
You're so beautiful.
All right, you can pause until Nigel's done. All right, you guys ready?
I guess we gotta dine in on this one.
Ooh. Wow.
This is gonna pan out weird.
We're gonna be in and out of this video really fast.
Yep.
You ready to go? Ooh.
I just did one a second ago.
Drop in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Drop the fakie.
Wow.
Axel.
No.
Axel on the
way.
foot.
That was indeed very dirty, but it was also good. So it makes up for it. Oh!
Three-stir.
Wow. Oh!
I'm gonna try a tray flip.
A tray flip? Wait. By tray flip, do you mean a kick flip that will be called a tray flip or an actual tray flip?
Kick flip, that will be called a tray flip.
My man.
I can't kick flip though, so it's not gonna happen. Not with that attitude.
Hey, that's possible.
Backside 360 reverse.
Oh, yeah. That was good. Dude, that was slippery.
Shaky shove.
Wow.
Shaky big spin.
You need a little more flick, Nigel.
I know, my ankle hurts. It doesn't do it.
Best costume ever, dude.
I don't think that's what Deadpool says. You don't have anything witty to come back with?
No, actually I don't.
Deadpool shrunk a few feet. What?
First up! First two!
Dude! What?
And I broke it.
Oh no!
And I broke it.
Dang. It broke
Okay,
the
then.
plastic, right? Oh no, the
Okay,
wood too. Dang. I think it's gonna be okay.
Should be alright.
Yeah, look at you go, you're flying.
I kind of want to try to fly, but at the same time,
You do
I
whatever.
feel like this is going to explode
It very well will. Probably explode.
for the sake of the explosion.
Oh! Dude, I thought that thing was gonna not exist anymore.
Deadpool doesn't own an iron.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. That's dangerous.
That's heavy.
Oh, you got that.
It weighs a ton. What is this thing anyways?
I have no clue.
Yeah, I'm gonna save my effort for later.
The sound it makes, dude.
It's all cracked.
Oh, here you go, Uzi. Here you go.
I haven't skated in like 2 or 3 weeks, so
Can you skate today?
no, but I'll try to kick with this. Okay.
You freaking dolphin
Okay.
flipped it. I know for a fact you can tray flip this.
I don't think so.
You tray flipped a spoon. How could you not do this one?
The spoon had better pop. There you go.
Oh. There you go, flip.
The shape is all wrong.
Check me out right here.
Oh! Oh, there's the actual tray flip. Got that.
Tray flip the tray.
Oh! Dang. Woo! There it is. Whoa. Oh, dang. Oh!
With one try. Probably not good for my shoulder. I almost landed it though.
Literally, what is this? Oh, wait. It says AC Fabrications, Gardena, California. What does that mean? Well, Nigel, what did you think of yours?
It was all right.
It was a good idea.
It was a very good idea.
I think the design was really good though. And I mean, you could tray flip it, so it's not that bad. We've had some doozies where you couldn't even like do an ollie on it.
I don't think that trays from McDonald's because the McDonald's ones are very flimsy.
Yeah, that's
like-
like some good
They
quality.
don't
It
snap.
might be in and out.
That's more of like an Arby's. And Fetty, what did you think of your mysterious Captain America vibranium shield?
Awful.
Why?
It fits a foot.
That's all you need. Okay, you know what? I have no sympathy for you because you tray flipped a spoon.
And this, you can't.
So he says. But we're gonna call it there, you guys. That was You Make It, We Skate It Wars, the tray edition. I think we're gonna start doing themes with these episodes. So we already have another one, a top secret thing that you will not be able to know until the next episode. But until then, thank you, Nigel. You are the winner. Thank you, Fetty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please like. Leave a comment below. At Nigel Jones on Instagram. At GabeCrew01. At Fetty Potter. At Feisty Cadaver. At Carlos Astra _24. And at Uzi Walker. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this You Make It, We Skate It Wars series. It's always a blast to see what you guys make for us and what you then send over, what we can skateboard on. Uzi.
I wanted to go off that. Someday.
On that note, we're gonna get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We have a whole bunch of new Braille merch, and we're gonna start having some November sales starting. So go on to brailleskateboarding.com, check out all of our merch, and everything you need to build a skateboard is on our website. So if you wanna get a new skateboard, go on brailleskateboarding.com and check that out. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. You guys are seriously the best.
Jeez.